Hello everyone, welcome back to Maltida Crochet. So for the next 3 weeks we're going to be doing the Christmas ornaments series. So this is the first week and I'm going to share with you how to crochet this beautiful granny square into the Christmas tree. So I'm using these 3 yarns. My crochet hook is 4.5 millimeter, scissors, darning needles. These are the materials that you need. Do not forget to give my video a big thumbs up. So let's get right into the video. Now I'm starting with the green yarn with a magic circle. So we are doing a granny square turned into a Christmas tree. So I'm going to do a chain 3. So the chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet plus 1 chain. So that's chain 3, that's 1 double crochet plus 1 chain. So I'm going to make 12 double crochet. So into the magic circle, we're going to do 11 double crochet. That's 1 double crochet, chain 1, again 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. So we are going to do this until we have a total of 12 double crochet. So it's going to be 1 double crochet, chain 1 until we get to the end. We've come to the end now. I have a total of 12 double crochet. So I'm going to chain 1 and slip stitch into the first chain 3 right there on the top of the first chain 3. I'm going to slip stitch. I'm going to close off this yarn, pull the magic ring tight from the back, and I'm just going to chain 1 and fasten off. Now moving to the second round, I'm going to use this red yarn. Start with a slip knot on the red yarn. And so for the second round, I'm going to insert my red yarn into the chain 1 space from the previous row. Just find the first chain, find any space, and then we start with a chain 3. Then I'm going to do 1 double crochet into that space. Now chain 1, I have 2 double crochets there, and I'm carrying my yarn along. So chain 1. And then I go into the next chain. I go into the next space. That is the chain 1 space from the previous row. So we go into the chain 1 space from the previous row and do 2 double crochet, chain 1, into the next space, 2 double crochet, chain 1. So we're just going to keep repeating 2 double crochets into every stitch until we get to the end. So and don't forget to carry your yarn along as I'm doing here as well. So chain 1 in between, and now I've come to the end. So I'm going to chain 1 and do a slip stitch on top of the first chain 3, slip stitch, chain 1 and fasten off. For the third round, I'm using this white yarn. I'm going to yarn over twice on this yarn, and you can always do this yarn whichever way you prefer to insert your yarn. While I go into the chain 1 space, you find any of the chain 1 space and just start, and we're starting with a double crochet. Or you can start with if you cannot do this, you can just start with a chain 3. So into that same space, I'm going to work 2 more double crochet into the same space. So we're going to have 3 double crochet, chain 1 into the next space, and that is the chain 1 space from the previous row. So this round is 3 double crochet, chain 1 into every space. So I'm just going to continue this, and I'm going to meet you at the end. So at the end, we're just going to slip stitch, cut off our yarn and start round 4. And now for round 4 is this is the last round. So I'm going to go in the red yarn and start with a double crochet stitch. So into that same space, so you're just going to find any chain 1 space from the previous row and just start from there. So into that same space, I'm going to work 3 double crochet. So that will be, so plus the chain 3, we have 3 double crochet. Now chain 1 into the next space, another 3 double crochet. So this round we are going to be doing the corner, and we are going to have the normal sides. So we're going to work 3 double crochet into the space, chain 1 into the next space, 3 double crochet. So we are going to do our corner. So we have the first corner there. I didn't complete it. We are going to come back and complete the first corner. So we are doing 2 double crochets. I'm coming there to complete that place. That is the first corner. So we are going to do 2 clusters of 3 double crochets. So now we have the next round is going to be the second corner, and then we're going to do 3 double crochet. So we're doing the 3 double crochet. Now we're going to chain 2 into the same space, another 3 double crochet. So that is the second corner. So to make this easy, we are going to do, when we do 2 clusters of 3 double crochets, then we do, the next is going to be the corner. So we're going to chain 1. In the next 2 spaces, we are going to do 2 clusters of 3 double crochets. So when we have this 2 clusters of 3 double crochets, then the next is going to be the corner. The corner is 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. So this is the third corner. Into the same space, another 3 double crochet. Chain 1. And now we are going to continue another in 2 spaces, 2 clusters of 3 double crochet into those 2 spaces. Then we are going to do the corner there, the third corner, and then we're going to complete. So now we've come to the end. So now we're going to complete this. We're going to complete the first or the fourth one. So into that space where we started from, 3 double crochet. Remember, we started with a 3 double crochet and we did not complete it. So it's going to be 3 double crochet, chain 2, and we're going to slip stitch on top of the first double crochet stitch, chain 1 and fasten off. Now it's time to turn this granny square into a tree. We're going to fold this and we're going to start sewing, not from the tip. We're not going to start from the tip. We're just going to start from just a little bit below the tip. Below the tip, and we're using the darning. I'm using the darning needle here to sew, and I'm going into both loops. So I'm going into both loops, not starting from the tip, just below the tip. We're going to sew in till I get to the end of this line. Now I'm done with that side. Now I'm going to just go ahead and continue to, I'm going to fold the lower part, and I'm going to fold it in and start weaving it in under both loops. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other side as well. Once you get there, you just cut off the yarn, and I'm going to use another, start again with another yarn for that side. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to just fasten off and cut off the yarn. So now we go to the stem. We're going to start with the stem. I'm going to grab my yarn, start a slip knot and tie a slip knot on that yarn, and go in between the middle of these of the tree. Wrap my yarn twice, and then we have start with a chain 2, and I do 1 half double crochet. I do 5 half double crochet into that space. So 5 half double crochet, and this is the stem. Now I'm done with 5 half double crochet. I'm going to chain 1, fasten off, weaving my yarn. So I've come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Give my video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section. Do not forget to share, subscribe, and like my videos. Thank you. See you in the next one.